Okay, so this is a very quick loom to just demonstrate the new Gary and Solana Gary and Sol liquidity pool on Radium.io. So you're going to go to Radium.io and then you're going to launch the app. It will initially take you to the swaps tab. You're going to be adding liquidity. This purpose of this video is not going to go into details of what a liquidity pool is, but I will share a video that gives explanation and animation of what a liquidity pool is. But for the purpose of this video, it is just how to get your liquidity into the pool. So we're going to go to liquidity tab here on the left hand side. So you've got trading, swap, liquidity, and the pools. First you go to liquidity, I believe, and then you would select Gary and Sol. So here's Gary already selected for me. Select that, and yeah, at the moment it's just showing the amount in my wallet. I've already got liquidity staked in the liquidity pool, so it's not going to show you the full amount, but you just go here. You would add in, you can do it for either one. You can do Gary or you can do Sol, but you need 50% equal amounts of each. So you could just click the max and it will automatically balance out how much Sol there should be, or if you did max on Sol, it would automatically balance out with how much Gary it should have. It will tell you here the amount, liquidity, and your liquidity pool supply, confirm the liquidity guide and all that kind of stuff. Anyway, I'm not going to do that because I've already done it before. But once you've done all the liquidity side of things, you can come to the pools and you can put in the word Gary and it will come up. So you type in Gary. So you've got all these different liquidity pools. In fact, you could probably do it this way as well. So perhaps maybe just come straight to the pools and give it a go. But yeah, type in the Gary. So we've got Gary here, Gary in the Sol, and we add liquidity. So I'm going to add a little bit more Gary that I've already got. So I've got 12 here. I don't want to take all my Gary, so I'm going to make that 11. Oh, that's not right. Hang on, let's make that 11. So let's make that 11. And I'll put 0.6 just to make sure I keep some. So it's going to balance out the Sol amount. And I'll click confirm. Insufficient Sol balance. Okay, so I've actually not got enough Sol to cover the gas to be able to do this, but basically you will click that, it will add the liquidity for you. Once you've done the liquidity and you've added it, it tells you how much liquidity you put in the pool. So you can see here that's how much in USD, and then it's got the liquidity token that's given to me, and yeah, so that's how much Gary there is, and that's how much Sol there is in the pool. My share of the pool is 0.4%. That's gone down. When I initially put it in, I had a 1.15, I think, percent, but other people put liquidity in and bigger amounts, so they've got more of the pool. But anyway, once you've done that, you'll go across, you've added your liquidity, you then go across to farm, or equally on the left hand side you can go to farms. So you go to farms, and then you'll once again select Gary here in the bar there, and you're just going to click start farming, and you're going to give it your liquidity pool token. You stake your LP token. Wallet will come up. I need to enter in my password because it locks me out quite quickly. So unlock my wallet. I'm approving the transaction. When it's done, just wait for this to keep on ticking, and eventually it will give you information. When that does, it should be ready to approve. There we go, approve. And that's it, you have now staked, and now you click on start farming. Well, there you go, it's already farming, and you can see it's harvesting and pending rewards. And that's it.